I'm standing over here at Summerley Park next to the golf course. But all I can see is water. For as far as I can see, it looks like, it looks like it goes over the entire golf course. It's actually backing up into the park in several places. In the background there, let me see if I can, you can see, looks like it might be the restrooms for the golf course. Looks like it's also underwater. But it's like been like this for several weeks. Maybe going on 3 months. Nobody's doing anything about this. I'll step a little closer here. Okay, so you can see the cart path here. Actually, this part of the cart path is visible, but it goes underwater about right there. The ducks are having a good time. This all used to be Lake Elsinore. Who in their mind would put a golf course in a lake bed?